Welcome to the CFA Level 1 practice test. Domain Economics Part 8. WR International covers variable costs but only part of fixed costs and continues operating short-term. What does this suggest for investors? A. The firm's decision to operate signifies a complete failure in resource allocation, guaranteeing its immediate insolvency and asset liquidation. B. The firm is demonstrating strong financial health and long-term sustainability, making it an attractive prospect for continued investment. C. The firm's operational choice provides critical information to investors about its likely long-term market exit if conditions do not improve. D. None of the above. Answer is C. The firm's operational choice provides critical information to investors about its likely long-term market exit if conditions do not improve. Which regression is most appropriate to forecast quarterly EPS of one company using historical data? A. Panel data regression. B. Time series regression. C. Cross-sectional regression. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Time series regression analyzes one variable over time, ideal for single company EPS forecasting. What defines an oligopolistic market? A. Firms sell homogeneous products and are price takers. B. Firms face no significant barriers to entry or exit. C. The strategic decisions of one firm significantly impact others. D. All of the above. Answer is C. In oligopolies, firm strategies significantly affect other market participants. In Cournot duopoly with P equals 450 minus Q and MC equals 30, which outcome is most accurate? A. The equilibrium total quantity exceeds monopoly output. B. Market price is lower than perfect competition price. C. Market price equals marginal cost for each firm. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Cournot equilibrium quantity is higher than monopoly, but price is above marginal cost. Which has a larger effect on aggregate demand, government purchases or equal tax cuts? A. Tax cuts have a larger effect. B. Government purchases have a larger effect. C. Both have identical impacts. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Government purchases increase demand fully, tax cuts increase disposable income only partially spent. How do changes in household wealth, independent of price changes, affect aggregate demand? A. Movement along aggregate demand curve. B. Influence aggregate supply more than demand. C. Shift aggregate demand curve by affecting consumption. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Real wealth changes shift aggregate demand by changing consumption levels. Given rising industrial production, falling unemployment duration, and increased capital goods orders, what phase is the economy in? A. Expansion phase with continuing growth. B. Near peak with early signs of demand. C. Early recovery with uncertain growth. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Indicators confirm economy is expanding with sustained growth expected. Under flexible exchange rates and high capital mobility, what effect does expansionary fiscal policy have on currency? A. No change. B. Appreciation. C. Depreciation. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Higher interest rates attract capital, increasing currency value. What is the likely outcome when public spending rises but central bank contracts money supply? A. Government sector grows as proportion of output. B. Robust growth in both public and private sectors. C. Interest rates fall, boosting private investment. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Tight monetary policy raises rates, restraining private sector, expanding government share. Which is least likely to enhance financial system stability? A. Robust risk sharing and mitigation. B. Widespread use of high leverage by key intermediaries. C. Clear information on financial health. D. None of the above. Answer is B. High leverage increases systemic risk, undermining stability. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, please subscribe to BISP Trainings.